experiment, little fireworks. Do you know what density is? Density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. Let's say you have two objects and they are the same size. If one object is heavier, then it is denser, and if the other object is lighter, then it is less dense. For example, oil and water do not mix because oil is less dense than water and floats on top of the water. What you will see in this experiment is that oil is less dense than water, so it will float on top of the water. Okay, are we ready? Aye, aye, Captain! Hi guys, we are going to make an experiment. First, we have this water. Second, we have vegetable oil. Third, we have food colors. This one. First step. Fill your jar 3/4 full with water. Then, we put 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a bowl, and we will add 4 to 5 drops of food coloring for each color of our choice. Then, we will whisk the food coloring into the oil. At this step, we can point out that the oil and the water will not mix. Quick! Let's add the oil mix straight to the jar before the food coloring settles at the bottom of the bowl. It may not form droplets when we add it to the butter. Now, let's wait and see all the little drops start to come down from the oil. It looks like fireworks, right? Awesome! Enjoy! Thanks for watching! Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!